I don't do lake trips or lake calls, but this one he left the shop and we put this depth finder on and he plugged it in and said it didn't work. So this is just a document. It's got power going to the depth finder. I might be able, this is going to be sort of hard. So this is a power probe, so what it does is makes noise when you have different currents. And you can see that's negative, that means that's a ground right there. And this right here is a power switch, master power. It has to be on. And that is the accessory switch. It has to be on. If you just heard when that came on and the light came on, that tells that that positive came on. Off, on. And so there's two sides of this right here, so I'm going to plug it in the other side. The other side should be negative, so you'll hear the negative tone. No matter what you do, it'll still be negative. So that's negative. Once again. Plug it into the other side. And there's only two holes in that plug, positive and negative. So that's the positive noise right there. You can see the positive on there. And so I'm going to flip the switch off. Negative. Master power. So we've got great power going to the switch. So that was just a check to come down here to the marina to do that one check. So I guess his depth finder's not working.